Hello, and thank you for joining me for my quick video on our version release 1.83. This is going to be about our passkey access feature. As I do just about every single video, we got to log into the system. So I'm going to, and this is about logging in. So I'm going to click on the login button. Now I want you to notice that it's come up with something that says help at plantechhub.com. It says, is that the account that you want to go into? Now, that could be the account that I want to go into. Now, what I want you to see and what I'm going to show you how to do today is that when I click on this, it's giving me the ability to use whatever I use for a passkey. Now, I have a fingerprint scan on my laptop and keypad here. So that's what I use. It makes it very, very fast and simple way to go into the system by using Touch ID. Now, let's say that I was going to use a different account, or this wasn't the account, or you're doing this for the very first time. So I'm going to go and just use my Gmail address as an example here. But when I try to log in, it's saying, hey, we sent a verification code and we sent it to that email address. And so what it's going to do is going to send you a string of numbers. I can't remember. It's probably 7 or 8 digits long. You put that code in here, hit confirm, and then you're done. And you're into the system. Now, what I'm going to suggest that you do is that when you go into the system, and so which I'm going to do here with the fingerprint scan one, so I'm going to get out of this page. Let's go back here to log in, and let's go into the help account, put in my fingerprint, and it's going to take me in there very, very quick, very securely. And what I'm going to suggest that you do is that when you use the code to come in there, let's go ahead and the very first time in there, let's go ahead and put in your passkey. So we go up in the very top right of the screen, user menu, go to my account, and under my account, Passkeys is sitting here in the middle. You can see I've got one already loaded in there right now. I can add even more passkeys if I want to, meaning I could put more fingers on there, or if I had different methodologies rather than a fingerprint scan of using a passkey, I could use that as well. So this is how you add it for the first time. If for some reason it stops working, which I haven't had a problem with yet, you always can delete your passkey and then use the code to log back in again and then reset it or re-add the passkey in there. But again, I haven't run across that yet. Nobody I know that's tested it has run across that yet, but that's what I would do if I were running into problems. So that's version 1.8.3, which is the new Passkey access. I hope you enjoy the feature. Thank you.